Hi, Cheri from The Watering Mouth here, giving you Eat to Live recipes. Today I'm doing my juice recipe. Now this is something that I have every day almost. It's part of what I call my Fab Five, which are the 5 things that I try to eat on a very regular basis. Juice, oatmeal, salads, smoothies, and soups. And so I'm making again one of my favorite recipes, which is a red juice. So I'll show you what I put in it. And I'm also here eating my oatmeal, which is part of my Fab Five, and I had just pulled it out of the fridge. I have a few of them made already. Pulled it out of the fridge, threw some milk in, and I'm having this while I'm making my juice. I typically will have my juice first, but because I didn't have any juice made today, I just had my oatmeal first, and now I'm gonna move on to make my juice. So let me get the ingredients. I'm gonna throw in this apple peel and apple core, minus the seeds, from my daughter's breakfast this morning, because I have that. I also have, the other day I made some sweet potato for the girls, and so I'm just gonna throw the peels in there too. I washed those really well. So I've been saving those until I made this juice. And then I'm gonna add celery, carrots, beets, bok choy. And I set up my juicer, put my cutting board down. Don't touch. Okay, juice is done. It's so delicious. I always add lemon to this one, to my red juice, because it gives it just the right flavor. Otherwise it can taste really beety. So look at this deliciousness. It's super, super red, so it's super dark red. Let's give it a taste. Perfect, so good. Earthy, but not too earthy. And it's got that little citrus kick, so it's delicious. I always drink this juice with some type of fat. So I just finished my oatmeal, which is, there was enough fat in there from the nuts and seeds and stuff. But usually if I'm having this as my first sort of thing I'm drinking during the day, I'll just have about ½ ounce of walnuts with it, which is just maybe 2 or 3 walnut halves. And I'll drink it with it, so I have that fat to help me absorb the fat-soluble vitamins in this juice. If you want the exact recipe for this one, which, I mean, you don't really need it technically, but if you want to hand out like a free cheat sheet PDF, you just go to thewateringmouth.com/cheat sheets, sign up for the cheat sheets, and you'll have the recipe for this one in a PDF format, easy to print out. Cheers, I hope you love this one. Here's to our health, here's to anti-cancer. See you in the next video. Bye!